Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. This is my third video regarding chapter number 1, chemistry class 11th, that is some basic concept of chemistry. Today my topic is Avogadro's rule. According to this rule, under similar condition of pressure and temperature, equal volume of gases have equal number of molecules. It means if two or more than two gases are present at same temperature and pressure and have equal volume, then the number of molecules will also same in all these gases. Let's understand with the help of this example. In 200 ml of O2, in 200 ml of CO2 and in 200 ml of methane, if the temperature and pressure are same, then all these three gases have similar number of molecule or equal number of molecule. Now proceed with the numerical. I have hydrogen gas 10 ml and in this gas there are 2000 molecules present. Okay, at similar temperature and pressure I have 150 ml of oxygen. Now calculate number of molecules in 150 ml of O2 gas. According to the Avogadro rule, the temperature and pressure of these two gases are same. It means 10 ml of H2 as well as 10 ml of O2 have 2000 molecules. If I have 1 ml O2, then the number of molecule is equal to 2000 upon 10. But what is the amount in the question? That is 150 ml. In 150 ml, the number of molecules of O2 will be 2000 upon 10 into 150. And 0 से 0 cancel, 15 to the 30, 15 to the 30. Now in 150 ml oxygen, there are 30,000 molecules. My next topic is atomic mass. Atomic mass can be defined as a mass exactly equal to the 1/12 of the mass of one atom of carbon-12 isotope. It means carbon-12 is taken as reference element. Now what is the mass of one atom of carbon-12? Later on we will discuss about the mole concept. In 1 mole, the amount equal is to the atomic mass. The amount of an element will be equal to the atomic mass. और किसी भी XYZ एटम के एक मोल में जो नंबर ऑफ एटम्स होते हैं that is Na. Na आप लोगों ने प्रीवियस क्लास में सुना होगा, that is एवोगैड्रो नंबर. एवोगैड्रो नंबर होता है 6.022 into 10⁻23. It means mass of Na atom of carbon-12 is 12 gram. Then what is the mass of one atom? That will be 12 upon Na. So Na atoms का mass 12 gram है, 1 का 12 upon Na. Now putting the value of Na, it will be 12 upon 6.022 multiplied by 10⁻23. And now our answer is 1.99 into 10⁻⁻23 gram. And you are saying that atomic mass is exactly equal to the 1/12 of the mass of one atom. Now what is 1 AMU? 1/12 of mass of one atom of carbon-12. 1/12 into mass of one atom of carbon-12, that is 1.99 into 10⁻⁻23. Now putting this value, it will be the main answer. This is known as 1 AMU. It means how many grams are present in 1 AMU? It is 1.66 into 10⁻⁻24. Or I can say that the relative mass of an element will be mass of one atom of element into 1 AMU. My next topic is average atomic mass. Average atomic mass is considered for those elements which have isotopes. Isotopes are those elements which have similar atomic number but have different atomic masses. For example, hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2 and hydrogen 3. These all have similar atomic mass, atomic number but have different atomic masses. And these are known as isotopes. To explain the average atomic mass, we proceed with the numerical. The numerical is, I have two isotopes of chlorine, that is chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. In nature, the amount of chlorine 35 is 75%, that is abundance, and the abundance of chlorine 37 is 25%. Now calculate average atomic mass of chlorine. Now the formula is average atomic mass is equal to the percentage into atomic mass. तो फर्स्ट आपके पास जो आइसोटोप होगा दैट इज क्लोरीन 35 और उसकी अबंडेंस है 75%. ओके, प्लस द सेकंड इज एटॉमिक मास दैट इज 37 एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय अबंडेंस अपॉन 100. नाउ 35 into 75 will be 2625 plus 925 upon 100. Now it will be 3550 upon 100. It is 35.5. This is average atomic mass and the unit is AMU, and nowadays the atomic mass will be represented as U. AMU means atomic mass unit, and nowadays unified mass is written in place of AMU. Now my next topic is molecular mass. It can be calculated as the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule. For example, as you know, molecule will be formed due to the combination of two or more than two similar or different atoms. For example, if I want to calculate the atomic mass of N2, now there are two nitrogen atoms. The mass of nitrogen is 14 and these are 2, then it will be 28 AMU or U. Now methane, that is CH4, there is 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. Mass of carbon is 12 and the mass of hydrogen is 4 into 1, that is 4, or it will be 16U. Similarly, the mass of ethanol C2H5OH, there are 2 carbon, that is 2 into 12. There are 6 hydrogen, that is 6 into 1, and there is 1 oxygen atom, that is 16. If you are calculating this, the answer will be 46. Okay, and the unit is U. And the last, calcium carbonate, mass of calcium is, that is 40, carbon ka mass 12 and oxygen ka 16, 3 into 16, that is 48. Now my answer will be 40 plus 12 into 48. If you will add this, the answer is 100U. Before proceeding on our next topic, I want to explain about atomic number and atomic mass. Atomic number is equal to the number of protons. जो periodic table में आपके पास elements का number होता है, that is atomic number. आपको 1 से लेकर के 20 तक के जितने भी elements हैं उनके symbol और atomic number रन करने हैं, and it is represented by Z. And atomic mass or mass number is represented by A, and A is equal to Z plus N, where Z is equal to number of protons or atomic number plus number of न्यूट्रॉन्स. जैसे आप लोग देखिए, हाइड्रोजन के पास सिंबल है हाइड्रोजन का H और एटॉमिक मास जो है वो दैट इज, या मास नंबर है दैट इज 1. सिमिलरली फॉर हीलियम इट इज 4, फॉर लिथियम इट इज 7, बेरिलियम के लिए 9, बोरॉन के लिए 11, कार्बन के लिए 12, नाइट्रोजन के लिए 14, ऑक्सीजन के लिए 16, 19, 20. तो आपको 20 तक के एलिमेंट्स के एटॉमिक नंबर और एटॉमिक मास जो है वो लर्न होने चाहिए, तभी आप लोग इसमें मोल कंसेप्ट के अंदर आप लोग आगे चल पाएंगे. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज कैलकुलेशन ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स. आवर फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज कैल्शियम. यहाँ पर A और यहाँ पर Z लिखते हैं. A इज मास नंबर, कैल्शियम का मास नंबर है 40, ओके, एंड एटॉमिक नंबर इज 20. नाउ 40 अपॉन 20. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स. प्रोटॉन्स आर इक्वल टू Z, दैट इज एटॉमिक नंबर. तो किसी भी XYZ एलिमेंट का जो नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स है दैट विल ऑलवेज इक्वल टू देयर नंबर इन द पीरियोडिक टेबल, दैट इज एटॉमिक नंबर. प्रोटॉन कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पर 20. नाउ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, इफ द एटम इज न्यूट्रल, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर कोई चार्ज नहीं लिखा, अगर मैंने चार्ज लिखा होता तो ये न्यूट्रल नहीं होता. एटम तो जनरली न्यूट्रल ही होते हैं, बट इफ यू विल रिमूव और विल यू ऐड एनी इलेक्ट्रॉन देन इट विल बिकम इनटू आयन. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पर 20 के होंगे इफ देयर इज नो चार्ज. Now what is the number of neutron? तो मैंने अभी आपको एक फॉर्मूला बताया था, A is equal to Z plus N. Then what will be N? N is equal to number of neutron, that will be A minus Z. Our A is 40 in this example and Z is 20. Now the answer is 20. It means in calcium, proton is 20, electron is also 20, but neutron is also 20. Now second example is we will take an ion, that is calcium plus 2. इस प्लस 2 के लिखने से सिर्फ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का नंबर चेंज होता है और इसके अलावा कोई चेंज नहीं है. नाउ दैट इज 20, इट इज 40. अगेन द प्रोटॉन इज इक्वल टू 20. इलेक्ट्रॉन होने तो 20 चाहिए थे, बट नाउ देयर इज चार्ज. प्लस 2 मीन्स आई हैव रिमूव्ड 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. इट मीन्स अगर प्लस चार्ज लिखा हो तो आप इसे माइनस कर दीजिए और माइनस लिखा हो तो प्लस कर दीजिए. So plus 2 means minus 2, and now I have 18 electrons. And the neutron is equal to again A minus Z, that is 40 minus 20, again 20. This is my second example. Third example is P negative 3. Now there is negative 3 charge. It means I have added 3 electrons in this example. The atomic number is 15 and mass number is 31. It is 31 and 15. Now what is the number of proton? Proton का number यहाँ पर है 15. Electron will be 15 plus 3. That is 18. And now what is the number of neutron? Again A minus Z. That is 31 minus 15. It will be 16. In this case, 15 proton, 18 electron, and 16 neutrons are present. Now my next topic is empirical formula. It is defined as the simplest whole number ratio of the atoms of various elements present in a molecule. For example, the formula of glucose is C6H12O6. This is the formula of glucose. The simplest form of this formula is CH2O, and I will obtain this formula by dividing it with 6. It means the empirical formula is the simplest form of the molecular formula. It is the simplest definition. Now the molecular mass of glucose is 12 into 6, 1 into 12 and 16 into 6. That is 180. And the empirical mass is 12 plus 2 plus 16, that is 30. And it is obtained by dividing 180 by 6. It means here 6 is a number from which we can calculate the empirical mass of a compound. And I can represent it by N. It means there is a formula that molecular mass of a compound is equal to N into empirical mass. Is it clear? Because the molecular mass of glucose is 180. The empirical mass is 30, and if I will multiply 30 into 6, I will obtain the molecular mass of this compound. Now the numerical of empirical mass. There is an organic compound in which the percentage of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen are 40%, 6.66% and 53.34% respectively. If the molar mass of the compound is 180, it means molar mass of the compound is given. Then you have to calculate the empirical formula and molecular formula of the compound. This is our numerical on empirical mass. Now there is a technique to solve this numerical. First of all, write the name of elements, symbol of elements, that is carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. After it, write atomic masses of each element. Carbon का 12, hydrogen का 1 और oxygen का 16. Now, what are their percentage given in the question? Carbon की 40%, hydrogen की 6.66%, and after it is 53.34%. Now divide the percentage by atomic mass, that is 40 upon 12, 6.66 upon 1, and 53.34 upon 16. It will be 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36. Now it will be 33%. Oh, sorry, 33. It is 6.66, and this ratio is approximately 16 3 ja 48. Again 3.33. Among these ratio, which one is the lowest? 3.33, 3.33. Now divide all these ratio with the smallest digit, that is 3.33 upon 3.33, 6.66 upon 3.33, and last 3.33 upon 3.33. Now the amount of carbon element or atom is 1, hydrogen is 2 and oxygen is 1. Thus, empirical formula of this compound is equal to CH2O. This is the first part of this numerical. CH2O आपके पास आ गया. Now you have to determine the molecular mass. First of all, empirical mass. Calculate the empirical mass. Empirical mass आप निकाल सकते हैं 12 plus 2 plus 16 that is 30. और molecular mass आपको दिया हुआ है तो find out the value of n. What is the value of n? n की वैल्यू है आपके पास में molecular mass upon empirical mass. Molecular mass is given, that is 180, और empirical mass आप लोगों ने कैलकुलेट कर लिया है, that is 30. Now it is 6. और अभी मैंने आपको 2 मिनट पहले फॉर्मूला बताया था. Molecular mass is equal to n into empirical, molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. What is n? n is 6, and what is empirical formula? That is CH2O. Now multiply CH2 by 6. It is C6H12 and O6. I can change numerical by changing the percentage of the elements, even by changing the elements. This is all from this video. Hope you like this. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.